Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I am opening up my January Boxycharm base box and the Boxycharm Premium. Doesn't that seem like crazy difference in size? Anyways, I will link Boxycharm down below if you are interested in subscribing. And first time I've filmed in a while, so I just filmed my Ipsy video, which has January's giveaway in it. I'll link that at the end of this video if you want to check that out next if you missed it. But I missed you guys. If I look a little sick, I'm getting over something, but I am on the mend. Thank you for everyone who has been wondering. But let's just jump right into it today. Let's start with the base box. So you do get to customize each of these boxes, but I don't remember if I did. What else is new? It looks like the theme for the January boxes is refresh. Here's the card that comes with it. I still don't really understand how to tell the variation. C22010001BA. I always love that. Like it's base box. There's 5 items in this. First one here. Wow, this is really big. Remember when I used to do the head test a lot? Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Lip Pencil Sharpener in 2.0 cc. Oh, so it create and contour the lip shape that delivers your fantasy. It says fantasy in all caps. So I can get bigger lips. I do kind of overline my lips, honestly, already. It's way more obvious in person. It's probably obvious. You guys probably get what you can tell too. Wow, this is big. This is what she said. Oh my god, I'm in such a better mood now that I started filming and just have had my energy up today. So this is Nikita Dragon's brand. I don't really know much about her besides the fact that she was in the Dramageddon stuff. I don't follow drama news anymore, but yeah, look, this really is big. But lip liner is one thing I actually go through, so got that brown color there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this or put this in a future giveaway or whatever. So I'm just gonna put that over there, but that is $18. Okay. Ooh, we have an eyeshadow palette here by Wander Beauty. It's the Wondrous Escape palette. I have had palettes from them before. Maybe I still do. I don't know. But they were smaller than this. Let's see. I wonder if they have different sizes. But it has hyaluronic acid in it to help skin retain moisture. Oh man, my nails are very weak. Let's see if I can get this. I have scissors over there. This is $42. Let's take a peek. Again, sorry, I'm probably not going to swatch anything unless I am positive I'm going to keep it. But I'm trying to give stuff away and declutter at the moment. Very pretty packaging. Is it possible I have a smaller version of this? That blue in here looks familiar. But very pretty. Honestly, the blues are like what I never use. I'm more like neutral girl these days. Very pretty, and I like one of the names is Nude Beach. And there is a mirror. Sirens are loud right now. And then we have by Context matte lipstick in the shade Tears Are Falling. Oh. Oh. I can't imagine what shade Tears Are Falling. I feel like, oh, this is pretty. It's like a mauve-y color. I was trying to guess. So I'm like, well, tears are clear and nude. That looks really pretty. My mom would love this shade probably. I'll try it on myself and give it to her because she doesn't care if I try it. I actually have to send them a package today. Perfect. My parents like hit me up there. My dad was like, I need some moisturizer. I'm like, I got you. So Dermalect Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Does it help with puffiness too? Story of my life. So I like this. I'm actually using their nighttime serum a few nights a week. I do like this brand. This is professional strength. It does say it reduces the look of tired and puffy under eye bags. And dark circles, lifts and tightens the appearance of droopy eyelids. I've noticed that. I feel like the older I get, my eye shape changes. Like I used to be super hooded eyes, but lately I feel like I look less hooded. I don't know. Has anyone else experienced that? And it's lightly diffusing pigments, instantly and cleverly conceal any damage. And soothing cool tip applicator makes the eye area feel rejuvenated and energized. Nice. I might actually keep that one for myself. And then last but not least, oh, maybe I can give this to my dad. Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. Oh, never mind, it's a primer. But a lot of primers are just like moisturizers. Those are the ones I prefer, but I don't know if I'll use it if it says it. Hydrate, moisturizes, and replenishes. For well, dry, flaky skin, quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer and save time on your beauty regimen. It has sodium hyaluronate, glycerin, and antioxidant botanical ingredients. It's supposed to brighten, replenish skin for a healthier, suppler complexion. Nice. Yeah, might have to keep this one too. The hydrating primers are the only ones I use personally. But that was everything in my base box. I don't think it was too bad. I think the lipstick and the lip liner are like what I would want to use the most. But actually the eye product too. Yeah, I didn't think it was too bad. What do you guys think? Do you guys get the same things? I think I did miss choice because I don't remember any of these. Sorry, I need to just move my head and blow my nose really quick. I'm just gonna do it a little over here. I don't know if it's like being sick or allergy. It's probably allergy. Okay, now I look even more pale and white, but let's move on to the premium box and see, does it really need to be this big? Okay. Oh, they have paper in it. Oh, and it has a different theme. Better Beauty. The other one said Refresh. Usually they have the same theme, I thought. And the premium box is, today, I don't know the price. I think it was $35. Today up it to like $38. But the base is $25 and the premium was $35. But I feel like there's been price increases for like literally everything in the world because like postages and just stuff has gone up in price because you know what? Yeah, this stuff. I guess like if they have the boxes, I'd rather them use it than waste it, but it doesn't really need to be that big. That's not what she said. So the first thing I see here, by Bare Minerals. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Is this like what everyone used to love, the original mineral veil? And what shade is it in? Original translucent? Okay, because it looked like it was maybe just the shade of translucent, which is me, like white. Look how pale I am these days too. I'm looking a little healthier today, believe it or not. But I'm excited to try this. Like, you know, I've gotten like one that like was newer in their line, but it was too dark for me. It was like one of the shades. Do I still have that? My powder drawer is right here. I might have gotten, oh yeah, I do. It's in Fairly Light 03. So like that was Fairly Light was too light. I need just like fair, but yeah, I just had like a little size of it. And I couldn't really, I don't know why I still have it. I should, because I've been decluttering. I must be like, maybe I'll get tanner. But I'm excited to try this out. For years I've been hearing about this. This is like a cult favorite, right? Nice. It minimizes the appearance of pores over time. Let's move on. We have by LYS Beauty. I have their foundation, their serum foundation. I bought it on Sephora for like when they had like a half off sale for foundation at some point a while ago, and it's a little too dark for me again. One of those things, so I mix it though, and I do like it. But this is their Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. It has 5% niacinamide and AHAs in it as well. And it's supposed to be good for pore and shine control. I'm actually excited about this because, yeah, I don't know. I usually don't like go and buy makeup off of or outside of subscription boxes, but something made me like this brand and be curious about them. They're like clean beauty, yeah, vegan, cruelty free, of course. I say of course because I follow that lifestyle. Yeah, that says ginger root extract in it for even skin tone. Yeah, nice, cool. And then we have something here by Cover FX. Our, Custom Enhancer Palette. Travel Pen has 3 of their best-selling shades of Custom Enhancer drops. I had one a long time ago, but it was too dark for me. It's just, I understand why they tape things, but that was not a big deal. I was like, oh, I gotta grab my slurs. First world problems. I try not to freaking mess up the box in case I want to sell things or put it in a giveaway. Because, yeah, Boxycharm, I don't get in PR. I pay for it myself. I might have canceled it. I don't remember. Obviously not this month. So here is the outside. Just trying to save money, you know, because I've been working because I've been sick. Oh, Wait, I thought it was a drops. This is actually like not liquid, it's powder, which I prefer. There's a little cover over it. I'm not gonna take it off. Hopefully you guys can see. I like how this palette feels. Matte finish. Nice. The shades are Candlelight, Sunlight, and Blossom. Oh, Ether Beauty. This is like Halsey's brand. And I have the purple palette. And I haven't really been wearing purples. I used to be like only cool tone. I like mix up things like my metals too. I feel like I did that on purpose because I said mix things. But I wear more warm tone stuff lately. But this is the Desert Sunset palette. This looks like my shade range. This brand's cool. Oh, and I love this. Is this the same one? Oh, I was hoping it'd be different. It comes with an oracle card in it. But just I have this one already. It must be the same card in all of them. Tenacious is a lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout. So I thought like in each palette or something you would get a different oracle card, but it looks like you get the same one. But obviously, like I have another channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do tarot readings. I absolutely like love stuff like that. So here is the palette. I think it's infused with crystals, these palettes too. And they don't have a mirror because they are eco-friendly. And oh, yeah, this is like my type. Yeah, you know, very pretty. And my tones that I'm into lately. I'm not dissing any color. I change what I like all the time. But I love it. So it's mostly, there's like 4 mattes and the rest are shimmers. Oh, beautiful. Huh? I like this. I'm excited about this. We still have 2 things to go. We have by Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I feel like I've used this a long time ago. It says it combines the benefits of bamboo charcoal, clay, aloe, and aspen bark with polyhydroxy acids to help detox and protect against daily pollutants, leaving a softer looking, smoother, and more even tone complexion. And last but not least is by Persona, and it is their lip liner. I just put something in my drawer, like in my future giveaway, or I don't know what I'm going to do with the drawer, like when I need it, I can open it or give it away drawer. I got an eyeliner in it. They come in these packages here, like this. But anyways, this is their lip liner in 90210. And it looks like it's in like, oh, is this actually the color of it? We're just gonna open it because it doesn't mean I have to swatch it. Oh, it's pink. Yeah, I'm looking at myself. I'm like, I need some blush or mascara. And this is the shade, yeah. So it kind of does look like the outside. So it's like a mauve-y. I want to swatch it so bad, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it or give it away because I'm trying to use less stuff because I have so many lip liners. I realize like some of them probably are expired. I don't know. Let's see if it talks about the shade here. But yeah, hopefully you could tell the color from that way. I think this outer packaging color seriously is the color of it. So awesome. And that was everything for my January Boxycharms. You have to let me know, are we box twins? I actually really liked these boxes. But I'm also really liking everything today because life is so much better when you feel better, when you've been feeling down or like sick for a while. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I miss you. I love you. And I will see you super soon. Bye.